So what I found is that these are all 12-inch diameter, and I had 9-inch pilings. These are 9s, and that one over there is a 9, but all the ones that are down below are all 10, 11, 12. So the next largest size is 14, so I'm going to go and the guy's got material in stock. Fortunately, he's going to trade me. Well, I got to pay him more because the bigger ones are more expensive, but at least he's got them in stock, because when I ordered this other stuff I had to wait for it. Oh my god. Anyway, I'm off to trade in my stuff. I called the lumber company where I got the stuff, and I explained to him my situation, and he said, yeah, he says, bring the other ones back and I'll trade you up for these. Well, these are more expensive, of course, because they're bigger. That's what I ended up doing yesterday, is I went up and I got all 14 inches for the balance of the stuff that I got to put in here. So this should be okay. It's been eaten away. I've cut away all the, there's one piece of metal there still from one of the bolts that used to bolt something on here. I'm not sure what. But, of course I have the wind and the current both fighting me. Let's see if I can't do this. Whoa, fuck. Alright, one of the things my neighbor told me about his installation is he actually had a dock company do his. Of course oh, damn it. He got more money than me too. So, what he recommended to me, he said there's a plume of cement all the way down around the bottom edge of the jacket down in the water. And he thought that was because they didn't get it sunk into the mud far enough. I don't know if that's the case or not, but doesn't matter. This is going to be, this will be cut off someplace around here anyway. So I really don't care about that so much. And this actually makes it pretty easy. I want the seam to be to the inside so it's not quite so visible like that. This doesn't seem to be, can only go so far. It doesn't seem to me to be plumb. It is straight up and down, but it just might be the way that I'm looking at everything here. I'm going to get a little level just to look at. It doesn't matter, there's really nothing I can do about this, but I'm going to try to blow the mud away from the bottom of the jacket. One of the things that I found is that the oysters, which hang out onto the bottoms of the, around, you know, that you knock off whatever, they fall to the bottom, and of course it keeps the thing from sitting down into the mud. I'm going to try that. Unfortunately, one of the things that happens is we go through cycles, and it happens to be, today is going to be, right now is a low tide, about the lowest it's going to be, and then the tides will not be going down as low for at least the next several weeks, unfortunately. So that means that whatever else I do, it's going to have to be kind of done a different way. What I'm going to do today is get this one done, see if I can't get this one done. Then I can cut away, well, I have to cut away this piece here and that piece over there. I can do that one from the dock, and then I have to demo. I can move the whatchamacallit, the floating dock down farther, and I can demo the rest of this L dock. Easy. I'm glad. Whoa. Oh my God, I'm glad I wasn't standing over there. Holy shit. Okay. This dock is in serious duty. Oh my God, look at that. Holy Christ. All right. Most important, I don't want to drop my drill in the water. Oh my God. All right. Well, that changes the plan a little bit. Look at that. Holy shit. Huh. Huh. I thought at least this portion over here would be solid. That one obviously was falling apart. Yeah, see, I'm going to have to get in the water because there's no other way now. That's tied up over there. This is tied up over here. Huh. And then maybe not. Okay. Okay. You just gotta be a little faster, that's all. There we go. Holy shit, man, look at that. Well, this is looking good. That's looking real good. Okay, and I wonder, maybe since all those screws are out of there, maybe I can just get in the water and force those boards off of there. I don't think this is too deep yet, so let's try that. It's already 5 feet. It's in there pretty tough. This is too. I don't know. Oh my god, they're dropping like flies. Some crab right there. Oh well, okay. What else we got going on here? Oof. All right. Now, for me to do that one and this one, this piece has to come down. And the only way I'm going to do that is to cut it and take that bolt out. Yeah. There he is. Honest to God. Honest to God. He's probably gone, but they're here all the time. They're here regularly. And in the spring, there was a mama dolphin brought in her baby. The baby was maybe, I don't know, 1.5 feet long, 2 feet long. Little tiny thing. She's teaching them how to fish. It's just the cutest thing. Anyway.